Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2009 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 49,284 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and the rear at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted a small slice in the rear tire, but it is not leaking. The accessory chrome switch housings obstruct the use of the tune down and cruise resume buttons. Rear brake pads are at service limit, and there is some oil dripping from the bottom of the motor after the test ride. Additionally, there is a front brake pulsation. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a blemish on the front fender, and a blemish on the saddlebag. This bike has 2 keys and 1 fob. It comes equipped with cruise control and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with aftermarket mufflers, tall handlebars, an intake cover, primary cover, timing cover, shift linkage, chrome fork covers, chrome tour pack trim, chrome saddlebag trim, a luggage rack, saddlebag luggage rails, a fuel door cover, chrome tank console, headlight and passing lamp visors, turn signal visors, fender lamp trim, fork-mounted wind deflectors, engine heat deflectors, rider floorboards, floorboard covers, chrome reservoir covers, grips, mirrors, chrome upper fairing and tour pack speaker trim, a Mustang seat, caliper covers, highway pegs, a brake pedal, chrome switch housings, chrome dash trim, and an LRS windshield. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.